Hello student, welcome in the online session of the Moria Science Academy. Hope you all enjoy the online sessions. We learn the chapter biomolecules. In last session, we start the important biomolecule, that is nucleic acid. We learn about the DNA. Today we discuss the another nucleic acid, that is RNA. Like DNA, RNA is also genetic material as well as non-genetic material. RNA is single-stranded polymer of ribonucleotide made up of ribose sugar, phosphoric acid and nitrogen bases. It is single-stranded structure. It is simple and straight, may be folded or coiled, and forms normal base pairing like the DNA. It is present in the nucleus as well as in the cytoplasm. Chemical composition of RNA is similar to the DNA. It also contains pentose sugar, that is ribose sugar. It also contains phosphate group in the form of phosphoric acid. It contains two nitrogen bases, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purine bases are adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine bases are uracil and cytosine. The difference is RNA contains pyrimidine base uracil instead of thymine, which present in the DNA. The base pairing present in RNA is due to folding or coiling structure. Nitrogen bases present on one strand pair with the nitrogen bases of the another strand where folding or coiling takes place. Similar to the DNA, adenine pairs with uracil or uracil pairs with adenine with the help of two weak hydrogen bond. Guanine pairs with cytosine and cytosine pairs with guanine with the help of three weak hydrogen bond. Now, the purine-pyrimidine ratio may or may not be 1:1 because base pairing is not fixed. Long chains of the nucleotides joined by phosphodiester bond or phosphodiester linkages. It is also known as 3/5 phosphodiester bond. DNA is a double-stranded structure, but RNA is a single-stranded structure. So there is only phosphodiester bond, which helps in joining of the nucleotides. RNA strand is usually shows folding itself in a certain region. Folding provides stability to the RNA molecule. RNA molecule shows polarity, that is, it starts at the 5th prime end and ends at the 3rd prime end. Most of the RNA strands start with adenine or guanine nitrogen base. There are two types of RNA: genetic RNA or non-genetic RNA. The RNA which contains genetic material and act as carrier of the heredity is known as genetic RNA. Tobacco mosaic virus, human immunodeficiency virus, influenza virus, reovirus and wound tumor virus contain genetic material as a RNA. Now, reovirus and wound tumor virus are exception. They contain double-stranded RNA. Non-genetic RNA, also known as cellular RNA, and it is present in cytoplasm of the cell. The RNA which does not contain genetic material and helps in protein synthesis known as non-genetic RNA or cellular RNA. All non-genetic RNA produced from one of the DNA template by the process of transcription, or the DNA template which orientation is 3rd prime to 5th prime is provide a template strand for the process of formation of the non-genetic RNA. Non-genetic RNA helps in protein synthesis in eukaryotes as well as prokaryote organism. It is present in all the organisms except some viruses. Non-genetic or cellular RNA are of 3 types. They are ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, and transfer RNA. We see structure of each non-genetic RNA one by one. First non-genetic RNA is ribosomal RNA. The RNA which provide proper binding site for mRNA and always associated with ribosomes known as ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA shows simple structure which coiled upon itself. It is single-stranded. The folded region shows normal base pairing. It is medium in length, that is, it is shorter than the mRNA and larger than the tRNA. Molecular weight is 40,000 to 1 lakh and it constitutes 80% of the total RNA. It shows 2 ends, that is 5th prime end and 3rd prime end. Synthesis of rRNA takes place with the help of a DNA template in the presence of enzyme DNA polymerase or DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme first by the process of transcription. Ribosomal RNA provide proper binding site for the mRNA. It provide proper orientation of mRNA for the reading of the codon. Translation of coded information from mRNA and release of tRNA. Release of tRNA after transfer of activated amino acid. It helps in production of the structural proteins and also provide protection to the under-constructed or structural protein. Now, see the structure of ribosomal RNA. It is single-stranded structure. It shows fifth prime end and 3rd prime end. Now see, it is start at the 5th prime end and ends at the 3rd prime end. It shows normal base pairing at the folded region. Adenine pairs with uracil or vice versa, or cytosine pairs with guanine or vice versa. Ribosomal RNA always associated with the ribosome and plays important role in the protein synthesis. second type of non-genetic RNA, that is messenger RNA. The RNA which carries coded message for protein synthesis from DNA to ribosome called as mRNA. mRNA is always straight and simple without any fold. It is also single stranded structure. Due to straight nature, it does not or it never shows base pairing. It is longest RNA. The molecular weight of mRNA is 5 lakh and it constitutes 3 to 5% of the total RNA. mRNA also shows polarity. It shows two ends, that is 5th prime end and 3rd prime end. Now see, it is structure of mRNA. mRNA start at the 5th prime end and ends at the 3rd prime end. It is straight single stranded structure. It contains number of nucleotides joined together with the help of phosphodiester bond. The sequence of 3 nucleotides present on mRNA are known as codon. There are number of sequence of the 3 nucleotides. They are known as codon. Codon are of two types, that is start codon and stop codon. Start codon always present at the 5th prime end and stop codon present at the 3rd prime end. Each codon codes for the specific amino acid which is important activity of protein synthesis. The synthesis of mRNA start from the DNA template with the help of enzyme DNA polymerase, second by the process of transcription. Synthesis takes place in the nucleus and then mRNA comes in cytoplasm and associated with the ribosome for protein synthesis. The sequence of 3 nucleotides present on mRNA is known as codon. Each codon on mRNA codes for a specific amino acid. That is called as genetic code, rRNA language or cryptogram. Codons present on DNA codes for a specific amino acid. The codon present at the 5th prime end is called as start codon or sense codon. Each start codon codes for a particular amino acid. In a regular basis, the first initiation codon present on the mRNA is AUG. In some cases or exceptionally, it starts with the GUG. Now, the codon present at the 3rd prime end of mRNA is called as stop codon. Stop codon does not specify any amino acid, hence it is called as nonsense codon. It helps in termination of the protein synthesis process or stop the formation of polypeptide chain, so they are called as terminators. There are 3 types of nonsense codon, that is UAA, UAG and UGA. One of the nonsense codon out of these 3 codons present at the 3rd prime end of the mRNA. Messenger RNA copies coded information from DNA, or mRNA is a copy of one gene which is responsible for the expression of a character. It carries coded information from DNA to the ribosome. the coded information present on mRNA, that is codons, is known as cryptogram or genetic code. The number of codons present on the mRNA provide information for synthesis of a polypeptide chain. Now, polypeptide chain is made up of number of the amino acid. Each codon present on the mRNA helps in expression of each specific codon. So there is formation of the polypeptide chain. Third type of mRNA is ribosomal transfer RNA. This transfer RNA is also known as soluble RNA. Transfer RNA also helps in protein synthesis. The RNA which translates coded message of mRNA and helps in arrangement of amino acid in a proper sequence is called as tRNA. It is soluble RNA and cannot be easily separated from the cytoplasm. It is also single-stranded but shows two patterns of folding, that is clover leaf model and hairpin model. It also shows normal base pairing. It is smallest RNA. Molecular weight of tRNA is 23,000 to 30,000 and it constitutes 10 to 20% of the total cellular RNA. It also contains two ends, that is 5th prime and 3rd prime. The synthesis of tRNA also from the one of the DNA template by the process of transcription with the help of RNA polymerase 3rd. Hairpin model of tRNA contains short arm, long arm, anticodon loop or anticodon arm. Short arm present at the 5th prime end and it contains guanine nucleotide. Long arm present at the 3rd prime end and ends at CCA nucleotide. Long arm is also called as acceptor end where amino acids are accepted. The middle arm is anticodon arm. This anticodon arm contains anticodon loop. Anticodon loop contains 3 unpaired nitrogen bases called as anticodons. Anticodons are complementary to the codons present on the mRNA. The second structure of mRNA is a clover leaf model. It also contains short arm, middle arm, anticodon arm and one extra arm. Short arm also present at the 5th prime end and it also called as DHO loop or amino acid synthetase loop. Middle arm, it contains anticodon loop. Anticodon loop contains anticodon. Additional small lump-like arm is also present called as extra arm. It contains variable loop. Now, last is functions of the transfer RNA. It transfers a specific type of amino acid to the ribosome. It helps in arrangement of the amino acids in proper sequence. It provides recognition site. It translates coded message of mRNA. Now, see, this is structure of tRNA. It contains third prime end. It is acceptor end. It accepts a specific amino acid. This long arm contains T-size loop. Short arm contains or ends at the short arm ends at the fifth prime end. It contains, now see, it is short arm, and short arm contains DHU loop. It is variable arm which contains variable loop, and most important, that is anticodon arm or a middle arm which contains anticodon loop. This anticodon loop contains unpaired sequence of the 3 nucleotides, that is called as anticodons. Anticodons are complementary to the tRNA. With the help of ribosomal RNA, mRNA and tRNA along with ribosome helps in the important process, that is protein synthesis. So it is all about the non-genetic RNA. Thank you, student.